This is ULEFONE Note 13P, and today we would like to show how you can enable, manage, and generally use the keyboard clipboard on this device. First of all, you need to launch the keyboard. Once the keyboard is opened, look for this very icon. If it is not present at the top row over here, simply tap on these three horizontal dots, and at the additional options menu, you'll be definitely able to find this icon, which stands for the clipboard itself. Once at the clipboard page, you can either go for the turn on clipboard option or switch on this toggle. And that will essentially mean that you have successfully activated the keyboard clipboard on this device. If you would like to remove any of the elements you have over here, tap on the pencil, select what elements you would like to get rid of, and then tap on a trash bin. If you would like, on the other hand, for something to be added to the clipboard, you gotta simply copy any text unit, any piece of text. I'll just type in some random set of characters. It's not even a word, I suppose. And once we copy it and get back to the clipboard, we'll be able to clearly see that it has been successfully added as the most recent element of it. From here, if you would like to paste any of the clipboard element you have, simply tap on it and it will be, logically successfully pasted into the typing bar that you have launched the keyboard from. Alrighty, so that would be pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.